Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have Richie's famous fried fish.
Fried fish, not the RFC. Fried fish, aka swim around. Alright.
And then, guess who made their appearance? My onions. And they are freaking spicy. They are hot. I don't think I've ever made them this spicy before. But honey, what happens is that when they're first made, they normally taste very spicy, and then after they settle, they cool down.
Actually hot. So I don't know if I could eat them, but then first you got a rice, and you know what? Alright, presentation, then I can put my swim around down. This.
What's that?
This is a Jamaican festival. You know, it's like the fried. It's basically the same fried dumpling, but it's festival. It's just festival.
It's sweet.
It's sweet, yeah.
Yes.
So you know.
Fried dumpling is not sweet unless you want it to be.
If you want to take a piece, I'll put it back so quick. I know it looks good. Yeah.
Yeah. Fish a la drop.
Fish a la drop.
Mr. Maroon.
You could eat that with escabille, just like what we doing. You could even eat it with a sausage. You could eat it with everything. You could eat callaloo. You could, when you buy jerk chicken, you could eat it with jerk chicken.
Liver, kidney,
whatever you want to eat it with.
Yeah. Guys, I'm sorry, I don't have an outfit of the day for you today. Okay. It's
alright. They be alright. They know sometimes.
I'm gonna hook you guys up. Sometimes.
Alright. Oh.
Listen, I'm afraid of these onions. I'm telling you, because these things are spicy.
Hold on. Here we go. This is a Key West catch still. Still Key West catch. You know, looking nice and scrumptious. You know, still got some more fish from the Key West.
Oh my God. Don't eat it. Don't eat it.
I just want a little bit.
It's hot, but it's good.
Family, it's hot, but it's good though.
It's good though. But it's hot. I'm gonna take this fish and put it right here. You guys can. No soda!
Hot man, I don't want no more.
Oh, I was about to say, that's a lot right there.
Make it cool down. Family, it is hot. I ain't capping.
Spicy. And the rice being hot don't make it any better.
But hold on, eat that rice in your mouth real quick. I want you to taste it and tell me how it came out.
You know I love when you feed me.
It's the crud. Yeah, she love when I put stuff in her. Don't say it. Be careful now. Stop.
Freaky mind.
Freaky mind, late. Freaky mind, family.
That tastes good.
Don't worry, I put something. See, you even have the crunch, but look at that, family. See, now look.
Ooh.
Hold on. It's hot. Look inside of it now. Zoom in. See inside of it? There we go.
I gotta move out of the way because then it's trying to find my face.
Trying to find your beautiful face. I saw that one. Even the camera wants them. Family.
That's good, honey.
It's good, right?
It's very good.
I'll put a little twist.
No, so you put a twist.
Always gonna do it. A little twist.
The onions, it's spicy, but...
Yeah, but it's not.
Yeah.
It just came out the stove. Sorry.
Yeah. You have to eat it with something. When you eat it by itself, it's hot.
I ain't want no rice today, family.
You know, I have to have my rice and fried fish.
I get the first day that rice option today, see? So I gave an option. Wow, look at that.
I didn't mess up his presentation. So I'm not mad because I'm rice.
I ain't mad, but this fish is delicious.
Very good.
Yes, we're still away from Key West. We still got more fish. But we going back.
Very soon.
But we're not going to take y'all with us because y'all come here like twice already.
You got tired of Key West.
Yeah, I know you're tired of it, right? Alright, family. This was gonna be the problem today. Y'all know. Almost there. That's what I was about to say. When I eat fish.
Stop. It's stuck, honey?
Gone. I can't.
Don't talk too much.
Can't talk.
It's stuck, right?
It's more though. Not stuck. I can't talk a lot. At first I say when I eat fish, I gotta be careful. But before I talk, I'm gonna make sure. I'm not going nowhere. I don't think I'm going nowhere. I'm gonna make sure everything is done out my mouth before I talk. I don't want no more accident. How does it taste? Good?
It's just so good. It's so good. I love the crunchy on the outside, but nice and juicy and flaky on the inside. Oh my God.
Yep. It was worth it. For all the family members that wanted the fried fish, here you go. We brought it to y'all. With a special onion. That's how you take?
Onion. Ooh. Yo, the onions. I burn up my mouth, you know. Oh God.
First of all, nice.
First of all, nice, but a good man.
And yes, everything we're eating right here also sold at the Jamaican restaurant. So if you ever want to try the festival, go in there and tell them, ask if they have festival. Tell them the Greedy Couple send you.
Oh Lord.
So everything, they have it.
Ooh.
Yeah. Oh,
My nose are running
I
out.
know.
Crunch.
Get the head for me. Not that one. Cut it
Watch
out.
your talk.
I'm eating the swim around head.
Watch your talk. That was good. It is seasoned really well.
Sure is. How much I've been up to Greedy family?
Oh my God. What? Nobody can fry fish better than Richie. Nobody. Nobody.
Don't say that.
I'm telling you.
Fish knife.
Oh.
Wow. Today we're gonna eat because we got fish, we don't want to choke. You know what I'm saying? I know you don't want to see us choke. You know, gotta take my time. Fresh. For all y'all fishing people out there that go fishing, and like fishing, the best way to keep your fish fresh when you catch it, if you're not gonna cook it the next day,
Can I napkin, honey?
if you're not gonna cook it the next day,
Have more? Okay.
don't gut it, okay? When I catch my fish them, I put them in the freezer whole until I'm ready for them, all right? It's hot. Until I'm ready for them, family, cause once you gut it, once you gut it, get ready to cook it. Cause you don't want to put it back in the fridge ungut and freeze it again, cause it's gonna be stale. So no matter how you want to freeze it, but don't gut the fish unless you want to cook it right away. Okay? I'm a fisherman tip, and this the way eating schoolmaster snapper, grunt, and mangrove snappers.
How much fish we have here?
grunt is the fish. I go. Good, right?
Yes. No.
Your onion hot, but it makes you want to take more.
I know.
Ramen. Onion is hot.
It is hotter than 2 times spicy.
It is hot.
Trust me. 2 times spicy ain't got nothing on me.
It is hot.
I'm sucking the bone. This part right here.
And I didn't put a lot of seasoning.
I'm sorry, guys. I forgot you was there. Listen to me.
If they know, some of the family members know, they know my favorite seasoning, alright? I didn't have to say it. What?
That's all you used again?
All I use.
Wow. I know you guys are saying there's no way that pepper, the onions can be. Wow!
Alright?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. I'm good, huh? I gotta get the onions up first. Like.
Somebody did want my food, you know?
Somebody want it. You gotta. Oh. Whoa.
You're probably saying there's no way. Don't touch your eyes on it?
Okay. First thing
I'm really eating.
go ahead.
Sorry, baby, go ahead. That I'm really eating all the onions and it's that hot. It is.
It's hot.
I'm telling you. I'm not lying.
When I was alone frying the fish, first thing they come and said, man, I should tell you to go get peppers. I said, I got a bag full of pepper. He said, really? I said, yes. He said, you know, look, that's a stem.
Yep.
She said, you know, I like putting a lot of pepper in. I got a bag over 20-something peppers. First day they came home, did her thing, and put the whole freaking bag.
I put all the bag.
When you're in the kitchen, you gotta coughing like you got the Rona.
Yeah.
Yeah. You feel me? Coughing, your nose running.
You gotta abort ship, abort. Everybody run in their room.
Yeah. Everybody run. So the pepper hot. So if you don't believe us, one day one of y'all will.
But when I cool it down, it's better.
Yeah. It's so hot. The kids are making change on.
They always take some.
Yes, man. We like it. We like us some pepper. That's the enjoyment of it. You don't be complaining?
We're weird.
You like it? We complain, but we still love it.
Yes. My eyes are watering.
Wow. Good.
Oh, I'm very excited because later on, me and the hubby will watch Coming to America and Coming to America 2.
Watch a freaky movie.
I have get some snacks. Hey, first time I drank water.
Really? Oh my gosh! I want more here. Sorry. Sorry. Take it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Here you go. Wow. What's Coming to America?
Part 1 and 2.
Take piece.
Man, you love shit.
I'm giving him a lot because I want heck.
Don't get enough pepper in there. Don't get enough.
I'm not gonna give him an onion.
No onions. They can't manage it, man.
I ain't giving him no onion.
My nose.
You know, so the bone cut me this and the pepper going this and now?
Really?
Hell yeah, I feel like I'm burning.
You always get pepper cut.
I don't want to get in the pepper and they get mad. I say,
Why you do that to them?
Why you do that to them? Wow.
I don't know how you eat fish with one hand.
Nice, huh? Family. Yeah, snuck up our nose, huh?
But I'm not gonna start eating it.
But we're not gonna stop.
It's so good.
Grace ain't coming out today. Grace ain't got nothing of this.
If you put Grace, you're mud.
But Grace is the same Scotch bonnet pepper. But this,
Not 20.
not 20 of them.
It's like the time I put a whole bottle of jerk in the 5 hot wings, and the 5 wings.
First day they must kill me up when I just met her. I told you that story.
Woo!
First day jerk the 5 wing, I put the whole bottle at Walker's Wood. You know that jerk bottle? She put the whole bottle. I
That bottle is meant for like 3-4 chickens.
Yeah. I said what I did to you. Well, guess what? I still ate it. Couldn't lose first lady. I was young in the relationship. Had to eat them. I had to eat the wings. Until she did an excellent job.
And then the next time I said, "Oh, I'll make some jerk wings," he said, "Yeah, just don't put that much stuff." All you need is just like a tablespoon. I was young and cooking.
Family.
You know?
I tore it up though. My first is a good cook.
Now, I got better.
That was the first thing you cooked for me. Fried fish was the first thing?
Nope. It was fried chicken.
The fried chicken, and it was at your place.
Yep, with macaroni salad.
Oh, yeah. I remember that.
Excuse me. I know you guys are saying they're torturing themselves.
We not.
It's really good.
That's good.
It cools down a little bit now.
Whole snap of meal.
But I know if you guys ate this, onion. If I ever make it for you guys,
Yeah, I can make it some pepper. She want to do that.
I can't. I'll make 2 batches.
You did that before. Didn't you?
I'll make 2. One the way how we like it, and then a very mild one. And I'll eat at your own risk.
Eat at your own risk.
When my mother comes, she puts this on everything.
Mom soon come.
Listen, not even know when she'll come. I don't know when my mother's coming. She's trying to sneak up on us.
She's coming.
Come on. It's alright.
They're not creeping no more.
Yeah. Sometimes it has to cool off. Once it cool off, then you can.
Still hot though.
It's still hot though, but you gotta cool off.
I know you're gonna ask, Richie, how you make those vegetables? Very easy. Just like I made the fried dumpling. I had that fried dumpling video already, didn't I?
You did?
Yeah, I did
I don't think so, honey. I had a boiled dumpling video.
I could swear I was fried dumpling one time.
I showed you how to boil dumpling.
I know they're gonna ask, I said, that look good. Okay, good too. I could swear I just fried dumpling one time.
The only time you did a fried dumpling, you did fried dumpling twice. One time was for the $5 meal when we had the sausage.
It wasn't videoed?
I don't know. I don't know, Tom.
I don't know.
I'm gonna save this bone.
You off camera? So just act like you like a bougie.
No. Waste time. How you eat with one hand?
Good.
You eat 2 hands.
Good man.
That is real weird.
I've been doing it for almost a year now.
You're a pro at it. You know what I'm saying? If you're not looking at the camera, I've been talking to myself.
I know you would.
But it's not that I'm saying don't look at the camera to tell me if it's recording. It's that you be like this.
Family, the camera shut off on us. A lot of times, first they tell me don't look at the camera, so I don't look at it no more.
No. Which would be scaring me. He'd be like this. And I'd be thinking that it's not recording at all. So I said to him, stop doing that. Just say, hey, it stopped recording. Simple. You don't like things simple?
Look at this. One side gone. Back to the next. Damn, you still on one fish? That's crazy.
I take my time. Why you just... You can't, brother. I can't watch you eat with one hand.
I've been doing it for a year.
I feel like you're giving yourself more work. Sorry for my nose is running. But on the same token, when you eat with one hand, you eat slower, so that's good.
I was getting more work and my food done. I eat number 2. Yeah, you eat number 2 and then I'm not eating 1.
My next fish.
How do you want to eat that fish? Wow!
I'm about sick of you. Stop that. All right. Listen, because I know how you are, how you like to repeat yourself. Okay. Give it a break now. Stop scaring me now.
Alright, I'm gonna start.
Bro,
I'm gonna start.
this guy.
I'm gonna give it a break. I'm gonna scare again.
You're not even ready. Look at me about to stutter. You're not even ready to do your word of the wisdom. And you're afraid scaring me.
I'm ready. Just wanna make sure you pay attention. If you don't eat your fish like that, I don't know what you're missing.
Gosh, my nose again. Damn.
You know right here?
Yeah, man. Always. Not eating good food. That's the pepper. Show that? Show the orange stuff? This yellowish stuff right there? That's pepper.
Minced up.
I blend it up. That's what makes it more spicy. Is I blend up the pepper.
You must season it off, eh?
Really?
That's how your fish bone supposed to look. Not again. Right now, the wow of the day. Let me give it to you before this camera comes out, you know? This camera tripping, B. Alright, family. First lady, take your time and eat the fish. Family, greedy family. Yes, I'm talking to all of y'all. That's still tuned in and watching the show. Ready? You need to screw up to learn. You need to experience it all to create greatness. I like that one.
I love that one.
Again, family, greedy family, this is for you. You need to screw up to learn. You need to experience it all to create greatness. Let me go back.
So don't let your mistakes hold you down, family.
There you go. There you go. Well said.
My gosh, let me tell you something. We eat messy.
I move by, right?
Yeah, man. Got food everywhere.
Family. Yeah, I know some of you like fried fish, but when you like to eat the fried fish, do you like tasting the seasoning inside of it? Some of you eat the head, but when you're seasoning eating the flesh, you like the season inside of it, right? We love to taste the seasoning because it's all seasoned in the head.
All seasoning.
All
That's
seasoning.
why
All seasoning.
that's the best part. Oh my gosh. Ooh!
As I said.
I ate a piece of the seasoned part. My gosh.
This is how you're supposed to eat fish. Right now, I don't see nobody on YouTube eat fish like me. Real talk. Let's do
Real
right
talk. Me too.
Show me some. Appreciate y'all coming through.
Whew. I know it's itching me.
We shared our snappers with you today. Like, comment, subscribe, and if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. And that's Shanice, and this is Richie, aka First Lady, all day. So, with that being said, we appreciate y'all again. I ain't gonna lie. Thanks for joining us. Firstly, they are.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye. If you want to stay on. If you want to stay and watch, go ahead.
They've been gone.
You know.
If they want to stay and watch, they can stay and watch. We're gonna show, we're gonna eat, we're gonna finish our food right here. Yo. How the hell I know the fried fish so good, man?
I don't know. You've been like that since I met you. It's not like you just started
That's what I'm
fried fish
saying.
like that. You
Once
always.
I learn, get the blueprint, it's over. So it's just like you have to put your own touch into everything. You can't imitate what somebody else do, you know?
Yeah.
Do your own thing. That's one thing.
That's one thing.
I ain't no Tom. I could help myself.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Big truth to that.
Yeah. I ain't no Tom, man. But they go on. I know they did. Get the eyeball Tom.
Yeah.
So you see that jump pop out?
You chewing it up?
Can't you tell you I brought my teeth, man?
How would it pop out like that? From frying it? Oh.
Fresh fish. Good, right? Want a piece of this?
Oh, that?
This.
No, that's mine. I gotta chew it up.
Chew it up.
Yes.
Yo, I love fish. Look at the damn teeth, them. Wow.
Because I'm full. I'm hungry because all I had at work was some fruit. But
Put them all work, though.
yeah.
I might put my work on. Nah, lie. Now try to go and feed you more fruit.
And I was like, They usually normally eat fruits at work anyway, or a salad.
Okay.
But there, we have fruits. I ate both of the tuna
That's good.
and all the rice. I gave myself a lot of rice.
You did have earlier. Your rice looked like when I portion it out again.
Exactly, I'm glad you know. Alright. That was delicious.